If you've been intimidated by using rolled fondant, let me show you how easy it is to cut, roll, and color. It's a lot like using modeling clay, which we all did as kids, and cupcake toppers are a great way to get the feel for fondant. Cake Craft fondant is soft and pliable right out of the package. Just knead it a little bit to loosen it up. It's less sticky than other brands, so you might not even need shortening on your countertop. Customize white fondant with coloring gels to make any shade you desire. Just knead the color into the fondant until it's completely incorporated. Cake Craft fondant also comes in a rainbow of ready-to-use colors if you want to skip this step. Fondant can be modeled or molded into any shape. To make a unicorn horn, take 2 small balls of fondant that are the same size and roll them into thin ropes, tapering one end. Then twist the ropes together. My horns are about 1.5 inches in length. Insert a toothpick into the wide end. Set them on a cornstarch dusted sheet pan to let them dry out a little bit. The larger the fondant decoration, the longer it will take to dry. These are small, so it won't take long at all. Fondant can be rolled and cut with a pizza cutter or a sharp knife, and then molded just a little bit with your hands to bring extra movement and life to your pieces, like these cut triangles becoming ears. With just a touch of water, fresh fondant sticks to itself, making it easy to layer colors and textures. Fondant also cuts cleanly with cookie cutters. Buttercream acts as a great glue to support small fondant decorations. Arrange these right on top of your freshly iced cupcakes. See how fun and easy it can be to play with fondant? It can really bring out your inner kid. Show us your fondant decorating. Tag us on Instagram and Facebook to share the baking love.